we are going to learn about vinculum. The meaning of vinculum is take away or minus. So we start with finding vinculum at unit place. Let's start with example like 06. First we have to subtract unit digit with 10, so subtracting 6 from 10 we get 4. We write 4. We make bar above 4. Bar denote vinculum. Then we take 10's digit consecutive numbers, so 0 consecutive number is 1, so we write 1. So then we can say it like 10 less 4, which is 06. Let's start with example like 56. First we have to subtract unit digit with 10, so subtracting 6 from 10 we get 4. We write 4. We make bar above 4. Bar denote vinculum. Then we take 10's digit consecutive numbers, so 5 consecutive number is 6, so we write 6. So then we can say it like 60 less 4, which is 56. Again start with example like 92. First we have to subtract unit digit with 10, so subtracting 2 from 10 we get 8. We write 8. We make bar above 8. Bar denote vinculum. Then we take 10's digit consecutive numbers, so 9 consecutive number is 10, so we write 10. So then we can say it like 100 less 8, which is 92. Now we find vinculum at 10th place. Let's start with example like 278. First we write unit digit as it is, so we write 8. Then we subtract 10's digit number with 10, that is subtracting 7 from 10 equal to 3. We write 3. We put bar above 3, which denote vinculum. Then we take 100th digit consecutive numbers, so 2 consecutive number is 3, we write 3. So this means 300 minus 30 plus 8, which is equal to 278. Let's start with example like 889. First we write unit digit as it is, so we write 9. Then we subtract 10's digit number with 10, that is subtracting 8 from 10 equal to 2. We write 2. We put bar above 2, which denote vinculum. Then we take 100th digit consecutive numbers, so 8 consecutive number is 9, we write 9. So this means 900 minus 20 plus 9, which is equal to 889. Let's start with example like 327. First we write unit digit as it is, so we write 7. Then we subtract 10's digit number with 10, that is subtracting 2 from 10 equal to 8. We write 8. We put bar above 8, which denote vinculum. Then we take 100th digit consecutive numbers, so 3 consecutive number is 4, we write 4. So this means 400 minus 80 plus 7, which is equal to 327.